Again, this is chapter 3. This is question number 4. Annual revenue of Corning Supplies grew by, and it gives you the percentage growth for 5 consecutive years. And it asks for the mean growth annual rate over that period. Now, it doesn't specifically say, but this is a geometric mean problem. And the technique for calculating the geometric mean deals with the growth, the percentage growth rate for a period of time. So I'm going to copy this information and then transfer it to my Excel geometric mean worksheet. So I've opened up the geometric mean tool in my Stats Toolkit. This is version 35, but I'll be making revisions to this kit for a while. I simply number the versions as I make the improvements. You can disregard that. You may be making changes to it yourself. So what I did was I copied the information from the problem. I'm going to use this information to put it into the input area in green. So I've taken this information and placed it in the green area. I typed in the years as well as the return rates for each year. And as you can see, it calculates the growth rate for each year. Growth rate formula being 1 plus 0.01 times the rate of return for that particular year. And since I only had 5 years, I deleted all of the other entries. If I had more than 5 years, I could simply copy this formula down to each successive year. But since I don't actually have any data for those later years, I will delete those. So you'll have to make adjustments based on the number of years that you're dealing with. It uses the geometric mean built-in function in Excel to calculate the geometric mean. And as you can see, we're using a range from C4 to C13. Again, to be safe, you may just want to adjust this to wherever your sequence ends. In this case, it ends at C8. But that doesn't actually change the end result. So even when we were going to C13, it still gave us the same number. So this gives us a geometric mean of 1.007152. Converting that to a percent would simply be 0.7152. So returning to the problem and entering in that 0.7152%, that is the correct answer.